Alright, the next step in Level 1A is where to find the unit packet. So I will print this off for you and give it to you so that you can work through the pages on your own by hand. However, we know that sometimes we lose things. Sometimes we just forget it, but we still want to make progress, right? Like let's say we forget it at school, but we want to do some work at home, or vice versa. Maybe we forgot our packet at home and we don't want to waste our work time in class. I have a way for you to find that unit packet online in case that happens to you. I still want you to work on it in paper, but if this does happen to you, here's an option. So in our Google Classroom, and it may not be at the top, but you can scroll for Grid 1 Unit Packet, and when you click to open, all of the pages will be there for you. Still numbered, say the exact same thing, and they're all there for you. So you can at least answer them, whether that be a separate sheet of paper, or whether you are at home and you happen to have a printer and you need to work on one of these. This packet is here digitally for you on Google Classroom. So again, we have all of our materials here, and one of which is your Grid 1 packet. And so if you need to use that digitally, here's where you can look for it, Grid 1 Unit Packet. Okay, so that is there in case you happen to need it, in case we happen to forget, but still we want to work on it with paper. Okay, so that's where you can go in case that happens to you. Also, if you need to find the unit packet somewhere else, a copy of it, if you lose the whole thing, I have some on my Where You Were Out, or While You Were Out board in one of the metal bins that's labeled Math A. So you can also get an extra copy there if you need an entire new paper copy.